Dave App Customer Service. Wait times can vary depending on the support method you use, and checking the available help options inside the app is the fastest way to reach the right team. By the end, you'll know where to contact Dave Support, what information to prepare before reaching out, and how to avoid delays when asking for help. The first step is using the Dave App Support section. Open the app and look for the Help or Support option. This keeps your request connected to your account details and helps support identify your issue. Before contacting Dave, prepare the information related to your problem. Include details like what feature you are having trouble with, when the issue started, and what steps you already tried. Clear information helps support understand the problem without needing to ask for the same details again. If your issue involves account access, repayment information, transactions, or a feature not working correctly, explain the exact problem instead of sending a general message. Specific details make it easier for the support team to review your request. Response times can depend on the type of request and the current support volume. Some questions may be resolved quickly, while others may require additional review. You can also check the Dave app for available help articles before contacting support. These resources can provide steps for common issues and may help you fix the problem without waiting for a response. If you contact support, avoid sending multiple requests for the same issue. Multiple messages can make it harder to track your original request and may slow down communication. For faster help, include your account details only through official Dave support channels. Do not share sensitive information through unofficial messages or third-party websites. If your problem is still unresolved after contacting support, follow up through the same support channel and include your previous conversation details. This helps the team see what has already been discussed. The key points are simple. Use the Dave App Support option, provide clear details about your issue, and check available help resources before waiting for a response. Your next step is to open Dave, find the support section, and prepare a clear description of your problem before contacting customer service. If this guide helped you understand Dave Support wait times, subscribe for more step-by-step app guides and troubleshooting tips.